Oh, the tumbles on the bus go beep, beep, beep. Oh, beep, beep, beep. Oh, beep, beep, beep. Oh, the tumbles on the bus go beep, beep, beep. All day long. Woohoo!
Hello, Mr Tumble.
Hello! We're on our way to the campsite. Woohoo! We're going camping.
Have we arrived at the campsite, Grandad Tumble?
Yes, we've arrived at the campsite. Everybody off!
Woohoo! Thank you, Grandad Tumble.
Wow, what a quiet campsite, Mr Tumble.
Oh, yes. It's a very quiet campsite.
Now where shall I put my tent?
How marvellous! Well, it's time to put the tents up, the boy. Oh, I know you're excited.
Wow, look at all the tents. This is a pretty tent. Who would camp in a tent like this?
Yoo-hoo! This is my tea room tent.
Of course, it's Aunt Polly. Ooh, is this your tent, Lord Tumble?
Yes, it's my Tumble Tower's tent.
Wow! And who would camp in a tent like this?
Me!
Hello, Grandad. So this must be Mr Tumble's tent. Mr Tumble,
Yes?
is it time for you to go to sleep now, Mr Tumble?
Yes, it's time for us to go to sleep in our tents. The tumbles in the tents will go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep.
The tumbles in their tents will go to sleep all night long. Good night. Good night, old bean.
Good night, Mr Tumble. Good night, everyone.
Sleep tight.
Sweet dreams.
Night, night.
Sleep well.
The snoring is stopping me sleeping.
What's that racket? I say.
Wait.
Oh dear, I'm off.
I need my beauty sleep, you know. Oh, the noise.
Where are you going, Mr Tumble?
Somewhere quiet so I can sleep.
You're funny, Mr Tumble.
I know.
Before you go to sleep, Mr Tumble, please could you show us the sign for tent?
Wait, okay, wait. Tent. You sign. Tent. Very good. Hello, thank you for watching. Click here to continue to watch my videos. Woohoo!